Hey guys, coming to you with yet another unboxing. I'll probably post this one tomorrow. So this one is an unboxing from Luxury Candle Supplies. If you've been watching my videos, you will have seen a little while ago I posted the importance of cleaning jars and popped up some vessels that I was having trouble with the paint leaking into the wax. So I wasn't actually able to resolve that issue despite following the supplier's advice. Whether it's a fragrance issue or not, we're gonna mess around with those jars once I've emptied them out and everything. But it was a big waste of about 3 kilos of wax and 200 mils of fragrance oil roughly, and just a pain. So I had to get my customer to choose a different color. So these are the grey small urban jars from Luxury Candle Supplies. They're the ice grey, so they're a really cute little matte jar. So I've just ordered 4 more. So I had one there that I had ordered when I was originally testing out like what the colors look like in person. If I can ever open this box. Hold on. Pop that there. Box. So these ones, I need to get a little stand on the phone. It's just ridiculous. Talk about mum life. I was propping them up on my son's little toy fire engine. So yeah, I ordered another 4 of those because the opening order is just 5 of each different jar. The other ones I was using are the Lovely Lilac, the Lagoon Mint, and the Bride White. But yeah, so I've got to pop these in. I had to just send out the first ones that I had because the turnaround time was just getting crazy with all the delays with that one vessel. So gonna quickly make these 4, wait for them to cool, label them up, send them out to Queensland. But yeah, today's been an insanely busy day. You'll be seeing this probably tomorrow, but sending out this wholesale order, and this is a custom one for a friend that's gifting this to one of her clients. It's a really large, beautiful gloss white piece. 5 weeks. It's always really, really fun to make. It's like 1.5 kilos of wax, super heavy. Really excited to send that one out tomorrow as well. So we've got a few orders going out. But yeah, this is a day in the life. My kids come back from their dads this week. Not this week, this afternoon. We've all been quite under the weather, so we're tag teaming. He's starting to get sick, so now it's my turn with the boys. But yeah, it's a little day in the life. Just been heat gunning these tops, gonna label them up. Might video me labeling them and trimming those wicks down and packaging them up. All right, thanks guys, bye.